Ibinebenta na ng aktres na si Rufa May Quinto ang condominium unit niya sa Makati City sa halagang 45.5 million pesos. Ipinost ng aktres ang video ng kabuuan ng kanyang unit na aabot sa 146 square meters, kaya pala ganito kamahal at nasa Makati area pa ang location. Ang post ng aktres, or rent, for sale may condominium in Makati. DM me if interested. The Greenbelt at Residences, rent. 150,000 monthly including dues 1-year rent no short term. For sale 45.5 million, The Residences, at Greenbelt, San Lorenzo Tower. 1-bedroom loft with balcony, 2 floors, 146 square meter total floor area. Including 2 car parking, furnished 1 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, 1 quarters with toilet and bath. Ang daming nag-like sa post na ito ni Rufa May at iisa ang tanong kung HMO how much kahit na nakalagay na sa post ang lahat ng detalye. May netizen na nagkomento, $910,000, not worth it. I would rather buy a house in California worth like. That's the price of a 3,000 square feet, 4-bedroom 2.5 bath in the more expensive area in California. No offense po. Ipinagtanggol naman ng isa pang netizen ang aktres. Anito, well that's in Ayala and specifically in Greenbelt. Do you know how much is the cost per square meter in that area? Only those who are filthy rich can buy it. I'm sure you don't have 45.5 million in your bank account right now, sabi pa niya. Komento naman ng isa, usually, yung mga nagtatanong ng ganyan sa comment hindi naman talaga bibili or magrerenta. Marami naman ang napaisip kung bakit binibenta na ni Rufa May ang property niya na nasa prime area pa man din, mag-downgrade na kaya siya ng bahay, o babalik na siya ng Amerika para doon na manirahan.